Children's favorite TV programs. A lot of young people around the world watch television. But are they watching the same programs? Paula is Canadian. She watches TV for about 3 hours a day. Satellite TV has really cool quiz shows, and it shows the funniest comedy programs. Satellite TV is better than cable TV. She also thinks the internet is fun. She sends emails to her friends about their favorite soaps. Mamadou lives in Mali. A few years ago, television in his African country was terrible, but now it's better. They have 2 channels. The first channel shows news and documentaries. Mamadou thinks the second channel is more interesting. There are sports programs and old films. He watches sports programs for about 5 hours a week, but he prefers playing football with his friends. He doesn't like sitting at home too much. Keiko is Japanese. Last year she could watch TV a lot, but now she goes to a secondary school and she has a lot of homework. She also plays basketball in the school team. She thinks that the best programs for young people are anime. In fact, most anime fans are older than her, because there are anime for all ages. They are fantastic. She can watch TV when her homework is ready. Yolanda lives in Spain. She watches TV for 2 hours a day. When she gets home, she does her homework. Then she plays computer games or watches TV. She thinks soaps are great. She never watches reality shows. They are the most boring programs. They often talk about their favorite TV programs at school.